wake up, it's a sunny day. Let's count our coins in a fun, fun way. We open the donkey bank, clink, clink, hooray! How many coins did we find today? One shiny penny says, I'm small but bright. Find me 5 friends, we'll be all right.
5 pennies equals what cents?
5!
Next comes nickel, big and round. Let's spin together roll, round and sound.
A dime jumps high, 10 cents tall, shiny silver best of all. How many dimes make $1? A quarter waves, I'm 25. Can you count by 25s? Let's jive.
Coins together, jingle, sing. Counting money is such a thing.
Here come the notes so flat and neat, each with a face and fancy beat.
$1 note says, "Hi there, kids. I buy you crayons, books, and lids."
$5 note is strong and green. It loves to keep your wallet clean.
$10 note loves to dance, twirl and spin, give it a chance.
Now 20 comes in a suit and tie. "Save me smart," it says with a sigh.
5th and 100 join the team.
We're dream makers. Save your dream. Which note is the biggest?
Add, count, save, and learn to share. Money magic's everywhere.
Coins go clink, notes go swoosh. Learning money gives your brain a push.
50 joins, all strong and neat. Half 100 can't be beat. 100 notes come shining bright. I am the king, glowing light.
Coins and notes begin to chat. Let's teach kids.
Imagine that. Add them up, it's time to play. Math and money save the day.
Quiz time. What coin's so small? Find the penny, that's not all.
How many quarters make a buck? Count 'em all, don't get stuck.
Money lesson number 1. Save some cash, then have fun. Coins say thank you, notes say too. You learn so much, woo, woo, woo. From 1 cent up to 100 tall. Money magic, we learned it all. Never give up, keep your try. Learning's fun, give it a fly. Count, sing, laugh, that's our rule. Money learning super cool. Bye from Lily, Max, and crew. They'll count again, will you too? Like, share, subscribe to EduKids now. More fun videos will show you how.